Jamaica Mike gets 17 years for trafficking to the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, them are running like them are big. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed as yet, ladies and gentlemen, what you're waiting for? Fill up the Rastaman panel by hitting that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. I'm waiting to hear from you. A Jamaican man who is described as a career drug trafficker was last week sentenced to 204 months or 17 years in prison for the Diet Coke trafficking. Listen, and North Carolina them catch him. One airport with him, Raleigh, North Carolina, in the United States. The convicted man is 47-year-old Michael Kenroy Bell, alias Jamaican Mike. Listen, Mike, we get the thing them, but you out of luck now. Has this sentence right here now was brought down Wednesday by the U.S. District Judge James C. Denver III. The Jamaican man had previously pled guilty to trafficking blows and skirt. When you go plead guilty for trafficking kilos in quantities of the Diet Coke, and him just do it in August right now, 2023, August 17. The announcement of the charges was contained in a press release by the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Eastern District, North Carolina. Bell had been deported to Jamaica on June 25th of 2020 after serving a federal sentence for a previous drug trafficking offense, and is back in the United States illegally and is back in front of the judge for the same trafficking charge. Them no learn. There's many ways to earn. Listen, if you do something wrong and you get caught, listen, it might be smart to do something else. The drug trafficker operation in Raleigh should take note of the 17-year sentence. Easily declare, adding that we are actively partnering with the Raleigh police and the FBI to disrupt any and dismantle any drug trafficking network like this one. According to the court documents and other information presented in court, the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Raleigh Police Department were involved in an investigation of drug trafficking organization operating in Raleigh in the fall of 2021. The physical and electronic surveillance, including a federal wiretap, Bell was observed interacting frequently with known drug dealers who were subjects of the investigation. Though he was not charged in 2021 investigation, Bell remained under surveillance by law enforcement between February and May of 2022. We observed making numerous trips between Raleigh and Huntersville, as well as 11 trips to Miami, Florida, specifically to purchase the Diet Coke. It looked like the Diet Coke, them down in Miami, strong, because it close to the waters. Bell, according to the allegations, was often observed in 700 block of Quarry Street, which is frequented by members of the A-Tray gang Crick and is known by law enforcement to be a high drug trafficking area. Bell is in June 2022 was pulled over in Florida, and after detectives has smelled the odor of the Mary Jane, the officer searched his vehicle and found both the Diet Coke and the Mary Jane. Bell provided law enforcement a fake identity. Yeah, his ID card is fake, his driver's license was fake, but his identity was revealed once he was booked. Because your fingerprint in the system, Bell. Now he's in hell. Deputy searched the car. They accosted him, meaning put him in custody. They claimed that Bell orchestrated the continuation of the Diet Coke distribution in the Raleigh area. The United States Attorney Office said that Jamaican Mike has a lengthy criminal record, including multiple felonies, including a 209 federal conviction on 2 drug trafficking charge. This ya boy ya don't learn. This ya boy ya don't learn. Listen, you can't get shun in a prison. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the words of Adija Palmer. I'm more life, I'm more joy, I'm more in happiness. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Leave your comment on this one. Do Bell like hell? I don't know. You can't traffic and get caught and get dipped and forward and get caught again in a traffic. You need to get donkey or get some skate or ride a bicycle. You can't in a traffic no more. Them catch you at Florida trying to bring up the Florida Diet Coke. And them found Mary Jane in the front seat of your car never have on her seatbelt. And more life, more joy. Leave your comment on this one. Jamaicans, you need to open your eye. Jamaicans, you can't go offering and go try do illegal thing offering a spy. You hear what them say? Them have all kind of intelligence and agency looking in on the case. Bell says some other boy get bite off. And guess what him do? Before him run off, him become the master of the craft. Leave your comment again, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite Rastaman. It's Rastafari Soldier here reporting. Jamaican Mike will be sending this next 17 years behind bars in Raleigh, North Carolina, because he love his Diet Coke.
Tune into Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.